An organized home can do wonders for your happiness. Today, Kate from Classy Closets is here with 7 tips to help you get organized, starting with your closet. Kate, glad to have you here today.
Thanks so much for having me, Sean. I appreciate it.
So let's get into the tips right away. We have 7 of them. What's number 1?
Number 1 is hangers, all right? This hanger takes up an inordinate amount of space, and this one is really skinny. So you fit a lot more clothes on this. You don't get bubbles on your sweaters. And it makes the closet, if you never did another thing in your closet and just got the same hangers throughout, everything would look much cleaner and more organized.
So I'd replace those. Would I replace these ugly plastic ones?
Please don't mention the war. These, multicolored, they wreck your clothes and they're ugly.
Okay, great tip. What's tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is hampers. I would strongly recommend that you have built-in hampers in your closet, because otherwise you just have this basket in the floor that's overflowing with stuff and it just looks messy.
Yeah, I understand that. And you had said when we were preparing that a good thing to do is have a hamper that's for donations?
Yeah, especially with all the people in San Diego that are so needy right now. How many of us have stuff in our closet that we truly do not need?
Absolutely.
And some of it in really great condition, so donate. Have a basket for donations.
Donation hamper, love it. There's another tip we wanted to get to with mirrors. What's that?
Okay, so you have a wall with a mirror on it, right? So you've killed that entire wall of the closet. This is a product which is acrylic, and it's on 3/4 inch, so we can drill it like a regular door. You can put a handle on it, and you can have storage behind it. You can have your long dresses behind it. You could have your clothes folded behind it, and what have you.
My long dresses wouldn't fit behind it, but otherwise I think it'd be great.
Really, Sean? I had no idea.
What about moving adjustable shelves?
Adjustable shelves, right. The builder puts your regular, bar, rod and pole in the top shelf. And I always say that if the builder got it right, we'd be out of business. However, what we do is we have a drill pattern on the side of our panels so that you can move stuff up or down. So your boots are down on the bottom shelf. You can move a shelf up and put your flip-flops in between. You can just adjust it to your lifestyle, basically.
And do you find people stick with those systems once you've given them to them?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. In fact, so many people say, I don't know why I waited.
So we've only gotten through a few of the tips. If people want to find more, they're all going to be online in their show extras section. But I want to quickly get to what happens when you come out and do a consultation, because you really provide a great service for people. What do people get? And a lot of it's free.
Okay, so what we do is we come out to your house for free, we measure the closet for free, we measure all your clothing for free, both the linear footage and the height, we count your shoes, we figure out everything that you need in that closet to be organized. And then we come back for free and do a complete plan for you, put it on the computer, email it to you, and that's for free too. Such
a great service, all for free. If you haven't had your consultation yet, you need to get it from Classy Closets. Find them and other top pros right on ApprovedHomePros.com. It's quick and easy using our Pro Finder service.